guys, in this video I'll show you an illustration that I made inspired by Gabby's drawing using Adobe Illustrator. Check it out. So Gabriella does this weekly journal problem solving on her remote class where she's given a random situation and she needs to answer that problem with a drawing. And I saw this one illustration dating back February 3rd where she was given this question: how do you show your friends you care about them? And I thought that she creatively answered that with a very nice and cute drawing. She says, I show my friends I care about them by giving them a hug. And yeah, after I saw that, I thought about creating an illustration, and this is what I came up with. Right here. And just to see what it'll look like, if we go to trim view, this is basically the final illustration. I tried to stay close to her original concept, which is, have the two girls be included. This is her, this is Gabby and her friend Summer from school. Trees, grass, birds, some benches. I actually didn't add a bench, but I added some of her classmates in there. I added a sign, free hugs, because it says in her the journal problem, how do you care? She says, I care about them by giving a hug. So instead of displaying or showing an actual hug, I just thought about, it'll be nice to just show this sign, free hugs, and then people or other kids coming in for that. So that's kind of nice. And if we go break this drawing down, so you can see how, what's happening here. It's basically just, if we go to outline view, which is Command Y, you'll see it's a bunch of different shapes, lines, paths, all just layered. So, some of them, they look complicated, but they're really not. They're just a mix of different shapes and paths combined together. Like Gabby, for example, she is just, her head is a circle shape, along with her eyes, her ears, and her hair, that's just an oval shape. And also there are other ovals that are added together, united in one path, and her body is just composed of different shapes. I actually tried to create this skeleton first, just so I know where to place these dress. It's easier like that. Create the frame first, the arms, the body, the pelvis, the legs, the head, and the neck. And then the other kids are based off of Gabby's this doll or this character. And then I basically just dressed them up, changed the hairstyle, changed their outfit. For boys, the hair is shorter. Girls have this longer hair, along with some headbands or these ties on their hair. So it's it's a combination of different shapes. There's the bird, there's the tree, and this sign on the back. This is actually a text, a font. It's called Chelsea Market Pro. You can see right here, Chelsea Market Pro. So that's the only font here in this illustration. The rest are just, you know, a combination of different paths and shapes. And yeah, I also made the actual the hill bigger than the actual artboard, just so I can see it. I can model, you know, or see like you know, the perspective, how it's gonna look like. Give some, you know, something that is far away, like this these trees on the back, and also this other hill on the back just gives some illusion of you know, a different perspective. Smaller plants, smaller birds, you know. So yeah, I think it's nice. I think it's you know, somehow it's close to Gabby's original illustration, and yeah, I really like it. So you know, hopefully this inspires her to do more illustration. Actually, when I showed this to her, she wanted to start learning how to use Illustrator, so that might, you know, result into something. It's a fun little project, and what's great about it is I got to inspire Gabby into using Adobe Illustrator. You know, she's actually excited to create something out of it. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.